We are innovative construction technology. Today, I'll be showing you ICT Tracker, or augmented reality mobile application that tracks and reports construction job site progress real time. My name is Tim Duncan. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of ICT. I'm also a registered architect, and this is actually my second business in this industry. The first business was CADsoft Consulting, and my team and myself, we successfully grew CADsoft to be one of Autodesk's top 12 resellers. We sold CADsoft a couple years ago, and that's when I started ICT with David and Lisa, my other two co-founders. I'm going to start off today by challenging the status quo in regards to productivity. More to the point, I want to ask you to consider what would be the value of addressing these points. Developing clear project visibility to manage the mobilization of labor and tools against schedules. Reducing the time it takes to track material installation, validating the percent of completion for installed work, replacing inaccurate labor data that leads to increased labor cost, tool costs, and schedule impacts, and taking the guesswork out of percent completion and earned value. Our product ICT Tracker automates the workflow of installation tracking and reporting. It collects accurate data from the field real time. It's easy to use and implement. We use your existing 3D models. We can track all elements and phases of a project. The app offers broad access and is built for mobility. The bottom line is that we help to increase project visibility and profitability. Contractors using our app, ICT Tracker, benefit from tighter monitoring, reporting of project costs and productivity, better visibility into job site risk and scheduling impacts, increased monitoring of labor productivity, improved management of schedules based on better data, and the ability to view data remotely by multiple users, as well as increased transparency and communication of status data with the project team. No matter what trade or material, you can now track the status with ICT Tracker. Here we say if you can model it, you can track it. So ICT Tracker is used by general contractors and trade contractors to track multiple scopes of work. For example, a concrete contractor can track installation of rebar, concrete pours. A mechanical contractor can track if the duct is hung, connected, or other options such as if it's balanced. Or if you're a steel erector, you can track if the steel is erected or if it's been welded. Or in the case of an electrical contractor, he can track if the conduit's hung, has he pulled the wire through the conduit, has that wire been energized, or has it been connected? ICT Tracker is a patent-pending augmented reality app. We use the iPads and 3D models that most contractors already have. Through augmented reality, we superimpose the 3D model, as you'll see here in the video, on top of the built environment. And all the contractor has to do is select the different components and set their installation. And that quickly, we've captured installation status on the job site. But we also allow the contractor the ability to interact directly with the model outside of augmented reality. This allows the folks back in the office the benefit of actually seeing the model and seeing where installation status is at. Not only have we streamlined the installation collection process, but the biggest value to our users is getting the data real time to generate data-rich reports for quick analysis of key performance metrics that help them better manage the project and manpower. The example you see on the screen here is for a trade contractor. Another option is to compare how trades are doing from a general contractor's vantage point. Imagine the value you could get when you see all the trades and how they're doing on their installation in relation to the planned commitment schedule. Also, we provide the ability to quickly identify trades that might not be keeping up with the other trades. Recently, we added an integration with Procore. Procore is the largest cloud-based project management software used by the industry with over 2 million users. As someone is out on the field collecting the information, the data is automatically flowed directly back into Procore. Here's a sampling of some of the contractors we're working with and some of the associations that we're partnered with as well. I want to share with you briefly a quick case study from one of our early adopters. One of our customers came to us with a problem. They had a large office tower project in downtown Boston and needed increased project visibility to better manage progress. We had them up and running with ICT Tracker in less than a week. At the conclusion of the project, their operations manager was able to document a total savings of over $127,000 on the project by effectively reducing labor, reducing rework, and getting the project done within schedule. Not to mention, by using ICT Tracker, we gave him his weekends back, and he was able to improve his reporting. ICT Tracker is sold as an annual subscription. We have multiple tiered pricing with discounts based on number of seats. Most customers start with between 5 to 15 named users for an initial project, and then increase it to cover their project needs all the way up to an enterprise agreement. Getting up and running is extremely easy. The first thing we need to do is select a project and then determine what key metrics you need to track on your projects. Next, we get things set up, identify users, do a little bit in terms of preparation of the models, and then we train you. We train the field personnel on how to use the app out on the job site, and then we train the appropriate managers on how to access the reporting module. And that quickly, you can go out in the field, start tracking, and start reporting. Our users are getting a tremendous value from ICT Tracker on job sites to track progress of installations. Here's a couple quotes from two of our customers highlighting the value that they're getting. Our customers have been able to replace their manual processes with an automated workflow, as well as obtaining a % completion within minutes. We love to talk to you about ICT Tracker and get you started on using it or seeing a demo. You can reach me at tim@icttracker.com or by calling 866-428-8757. Thank you for your time.